Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love and
Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Miss World. In this video I have come up to show you making of this sequence thread work designing using the normal stitching needle. So let's quickly start with this designing. I would be using size 60 number needle, also with the anchor and some gold sequence. Anchor thread I would be using of 12 strands. I marked 7 dots to create the flower sheet. The size is customized size. You can mark as per your requirement. This is how I have marked 7 dots, and here I'd be using the sequence also with the thread and giving the long French knot on these dots. This is so simple, and starting from the center dot I'd be making here the long French knot, inserting through the sequence. Left over these gaps I'd be giving the stitch of lazy daisy stitch, and here I'd be making small loop here, and again from the center I'd be inserting through this loop and pulling the needle, inserting back in the same hole. This is how we'll create the lazy daisy stitch. That means in between the two sequence long French knot, the center one would be the lazy daisy stitch. It's just so simple. Make a loop and from the center insert through that loop and pull back through the same hole. This is how we'll create the lazy daisy stitch. This flower motif with the sequence is so simple and easy. You can try it on the blouse which I have shown, like that on your old blouses also you can try it, or else designing on the plain salwar suits, designing of your plain saris to designer saris, whatnot you can try for any patterns. It's just the flower motif, you can try it. It will look simple, but it will really gives the stylish stunning look. And the materials which I am going to use for this designing is easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops. Also the links has been provided in the description box. Kindly check if you need. So like this I would be stitching long French knot with a sequence of 7 lines like this, and in between those gaps I would be creating the lazy daisy stitch. You can use the single thread or the multicolor threads which I am going to show here, but on the blouse I have created using the only single thread I have designed, and this would be the last lazy daisy stitch for the creating of this beautiful designer flower motif. And next to this, here I'd be using red color 12 strands anchor thread, and here I'm gonna give double French knot and creating the center like the pollen in the flower. This is how it looks. So with the center remaining 6 I'd be stitching with the double French knot here. This is how the flower motif design would be continued. Once completed, the flower motif would look like this. Really friends, this will really gives the stunning look. You can try on your blouses, dresses, whatnot, on your plain saris to designer saris. Once completed, the blouse would look like this. I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching. Please meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Miss World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications.